Good evening, traders. Welcome to this market recap वेबिनार. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि मार्केट रिकैप में होता कैसा है और हुआ कैसा है. ठीक है. हाउ डिड वी डू एंड व्हाट डिड वी डू एंड हाउ डू यू गेट द कंफर्मेशन. पहले चलते हैं निफ्टी पे. सी निफ्टी गैप डाउन हुआ. ओके. आप अगर इसका मार्केट रिकैप में जाएंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू गो फॉर द मार्केट रिकैप लाइक दिस एंड इफ़ यू सिलेक्ट जस्ट वन डे बिफोर, इसको पहला हम इसको एडजस्ट करते हैं. फिर बाद में हम यहाँ पे एक सिलेक्ट करते हैं. वी विल सिलेक्ट वन कैंडल बिफोर. ठीक है. तो आप देख सकते हैं इट इज़ अबाउट 200. निफ्टी इज़ अबाउट 200. ठीक है. एंड निफ्टी का दिस थिंग यहाँ पे दूसरा दिया है. ब्रोकर ने क्या दिया है, एक्सक्यूज मी, ब्रोकर ने क्या दिया है कि यहाँ पे बाय एंड सेल का कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल बाय एक्स ओ. ओके. यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी आप सेट कर सकते हो. निफ्टी का आपको 75 का क्वांटिटी है तो यहाँ पे आप 75 का एक लॉट है. ठीक है. समझो कि अगर आप निफ्टी ही ट्रेड करना चाहते हो सो यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक दिस वे. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ 1528, 1529, 1530. उसके बाद आज सुबह का ओपनिंग होगा इसमें. ठीक है. लेट्स प्ले दिस. नाउ इट गैप डाउन एंड इट वेंट बैक कंप्लीटली टू 200. यहाँ पे मैं पॉज करता हूँ. इट वेंट बैक टू 200. ये 200 पे गया सीधा और 200 के ऊपर क्लोज हुआ. Are we looking to buy? The question is, are we looking to buy? And the answer is no, not yet. इसका एक सेकेंड. Yes, I just needed this pen. See, it ignored first bar, no issues. Second bar पे reverse हो गया. That means there is no follow through, no issues with that. But it has made a first tag. What we need a pullback and then we need a break of the pivot giving us a higher low and our stop will be at this low. समझ में आया उसको कैसे करना है? we will see it here now. So I will continue this. Market remained there, then it started coming down. नीचे आने लगा. हमारा आइडिया क्या है कि बिल विलियम्स का जो ये तीनों लाइन है, दे आर वाइड ओपन, दे हैव टू बिकम इंटरट्वाइंड. यानी कि एक कंजस्शन एरिया में आना चाहिए. दे हैव टू बिकम एन इंटरट्वाइन हियर, देन ओनली वी कैन बाई. एंड बाइंग सेटअप का उसका एक रूल्स है, उसको फॉलो करना पड़ता है. अभी मैं बोलता हूँ आपको. इज इट बाई सेटअप? इट इज़ नॉट, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट अ बाय सेटअप. अभी भी आप देखो, मैं अभी पॉज किया, अभी भी देखो, दीज थ्री लाइन्स आर स्टिल वाइड. वो लोग ऐसे मिल भी नहीं रहे. दे आर नॉट इवन मीटिंग ईच अदर. सो वी विल स्टिल वेट. हाँ, नाउ आई एम पॉजिंग इट. नाउ दे आर ट्राइंग टू श्रिंक नाउ. ओके. बट what is the condition? Condition is that it has to make a higher low, and when we buy, all three lines should be intertwined. Now one more this thing. This is a decision line. This is in the green, little darker green is a decision line. So this has come, this has entered below the jaw. This is lips, jaw and mouth. I think it is what is Bill Williams says. This has entered here. So decision making has to enter and give us the decision making. Decision making flipping above this decision making is very important. Okay. Now all three lines are shrinking. Remember this. All three lines are shrinking. Now this green, I am pausing it here. Now green has flipped above the lips. That means this is a center line. Okay. Now what we want? We want one more pullback. What we see here? What we see here is all three lines are intertwined. And what we need is we need one pivot to buy it. So we will press again. Yes, this is the buy setup. We will press again. It's a buy setup, and we are going, and we are going, and we are still going. I sold it here. Reason is very simple. 1 second. Reason is very simple. This is the first. Reason is this is the first red bar ignored. This is second red bar ignored, and this is third red bar. So I sold it here. It is our method of handling the system when we are in the option trading. But here I will continue this. Now you can see with one lot 6,315 rupees just with the rules. Huh? Nothing more than that, just with the rules. Now this will come back to this red line and then bounce. You will see now. One second. It is supposed to bounce from this red line. It has closed below the red line. So now it has bounced from 200. This is 200 line, my friends. Okay. It is supposed to bounce from there. Now what we have? We have a buy setup now. But this green bar is ignored. But you see, we need a pivot. Now again, what you can see that again this has crossed here and these are getting wide open. So trading basically is a very intellectual job. Now what we need is we need a close above the green line. This is close above the green line, and we are buying now. We are buying. Yes, we are buying. We are buying all the way to the 22,900, and then we will sell it at 22,900. Okay, fine. Okay, it's been pulling back, pulling back. Okay, what we do is, okay, it just made that, and we are going to sell it now because it is, 1 second. The reason we are going to sell it back because it is making a narrow range here, and there is no new highs are not being made, and it started coming down here. So we will sell it here. Anyway, even though we sold it, we have a break even. Now we will wait for, what we will do is we will wait for this to come below, give us break this low before going back, or we will see whether the setup comes in between. Okay. I'm not going to buy because of just the green line has been crossed. I want all three lines has to be intertwined of that Bill Williams line. So we need one more low. Yes, this is the buy setup. We are buying it on the next candle. We are buying it. Yes. Now we will see for the 22,900. Okay. Again it is coming back, hunting back actually. It made 22,900. I will, okay, it's a wrong decision. It made 22,900. I was supposed to put the sell order over there. It made 22,899 rupees 80 paisa. You see, my friends, having knowledge will make you money. How to trade, having knowledge, having rule bound. Okay, I didn't anticipate. I mean, 1 minute, I don't remember it. It made that we were looking for it only. I mean, very frankly, I am telling you that this is going to do like this. Okay, now again we will make one more this thing. We will wait for a decision. We bought again. Sold again. Got this? Now, with this three trade, that's all. 10,680 rupees with the one lot only. Nothing more than this. How much you need for one lot? It is around about 2,60,000 or 3 lakh rupees. But whatever I am showing you in 1 minute, it repeats on the 5 minutes, it repeats on the 15 minutes, it works on the 30 minutes or every single minutes. Every single time frame you look into. Okay? Every single time frame you look into. I'm not here to tell you that you buy my course, but I'm here to tell you that when you follow the rules, even on 1 minute, you make successful trading. It doesn't matter how do you how good you are in your education or how smart you are, whether you are a gold medalist or anything, whatever it is. I don't care. But if you can recognize the pattern, it has made an equal high that has become a resistance now. So let's see whether it comes back and give us the pullback. Okay, it broke it. We will buy, yes, we will buy and we will sell on the new highs now. Okay, it's running loss actually. I cut it down because it came below I cut it down and it went actually. So this is very simple. Excuse me. Excuse me. So this is the reality of the trading. I cut it where I think while showing you I lost it here. I lost it here somewhere. It came back and it went back and then it came back and then it made all this drama. But anyway, it doesn't matter. What matters? Do you understand these rules? Do you understand these rules and do you understand how to trade? If I turn it into 5 minutes, it will behave in the same manner. Now it has tagged at just 200 and it will probably will come back tomorrow. It has made it will probably gap up tomorrow. It won't come back. It will gap up. So from there, whether it has many time it has made a pullback and move. So it will probably gap up tomorrow to 23,100 and then it will start moving upside. This is what I'm looking as an trader. Even on 5 minutes, you see, even on 5 minutes, when you see this, lot of transactions are there in this. Once these transactions are ignored, new bullish close is made above the green, this is your move. Then again it has made this, again it has made this, again it has made this, and then it is moving up. Okay, so these are the things you must respect. You must follow rules. You don't get result even in 2 minutes. You don't get result in 2 minutes. Also, you have to work very carefully. I don't want to trade in 1 minute. Okay, don't trade in 1 minute, but trade in 2 minutes. These are all the things. If you remove all the indicator and if you just bring this into a daily candle, and I'll remove all the drawings, and what you see is a Larry Williams message, the very clear message. Larry Williams said that whenever you see a large bearish candle and then you see a price goes way below, comebacks and closes here, that is candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3, then within 2 or 3 days you are likely to get a reversal. So this candle basically represented a low pole. We call it as a low pole because it went below this low and then made a close inside this. Of course, closed inside this bar. Okay. So what we thought is, okay, it has made a fake. This is called a fake push, and this is called a fake below push. But actually, it is all three are inside bars. All two are inside bars. This is also inside bar. So we need decision making candles, and we know the Larry Williams said once if you do this, it is very likely to cross and hit the 200. Hit the 200 in the sense 200 is somewhere at 24,000, so it will likely to hit the 24,000 very shortly. Okay. There is a condition, the Larry Williams message in the condition is that the previous two lows, this is one low, no, I will not put this way, wait a minute, I will put in this way. If you see very carefully and if you understand it very carefully, it is call out price level. Okay, this is previous. Okay, 22,786.90. Then we need one more previous low, 22,976, 976, and then this low, 22,774. Okay, what is the key difference here? The difference, what is the key information here is that the difference is not more than 1%, half percent, not even a half percent difference is there. Okay, when there is a difference is not even a half percent between these three lows, then you are likely to getting a pullback, or you are absolutely reversing to a new trend. That is why Larry Williams made money, but what a hell lot of money he has made. Also, you need to see momentum. He says you check the MFI, money flow index. I say I check this. This is a divergence. Okay. He says you check the money flow index, and money flow index should be giving you a DMI or directional money flow index should be giving you a positive divergence. Okay, so now what I am looking is that I am looking a gap up, probably 23,133, then move above 22,325, and will probably start moving upside. Okay, this is what I am looking. Anyway, this is a post market analysis, and we will continue. I will continue to give you. If you want to see how the calls have performed, you see we did a lot of buying and selling in this calls today. Okay, we made a lot of business in this, and but practically it was just like a like making money, that's all, nothing more than that. Anyway, it's up to you. I will come back again tomorrow, and thank you very much.